If you're in Africa, you're not struggling because you're lazy or because you don't have access to wealth creation materials. You are struggling because you were never taught the system. People think the problem is no jobs, bad economy, and corruption. And as much as it changes and affects the system, it's not the reason you're struggling. It's not the root of your problems. In developed countries, people are taught how money runs, how money works, how money flows, how credit works, how online income works, and how to build assets. But in Africa, on the other hand, we are taught how to get a job, how to survive, and how not to take risks and avoid them as much as possible. Now you may be asking, who am I and what do I do? My name is Nathan Tsaura. I've lived in both Africa and in the UK. I've seen what people are taught here, and I've also seen what people are not taught back at home. And once you see the differences in both economies, you can't unsee it. This channel exists to give the African youth access to global income skills, digital opportunities, financial education, and real wealth systems. I'm not a billionaire, I'm not a millionaire, I'm not selling fake dreams. I'm building and I'm documenting my journey, so you don't have to. This channel exists to show you that it's possible. With this channel, you'll be able to learn faster, and you'll also be able to avoid mistakes, as I've gone through these processes and have made mistakes myself. If you're African, if you're Zimbabwean, and you're serious about changing your financial situation and improving and building generational wealth and securing your position to financial freedom, then subscribe, because this channel is not for entertainment, it's for education, and education is how you escape survival mode. From Africa to the world, let's build wealth.